for their little tiny thing that they live in. Here's some here. Hey, look at this. This is some video going into the chicken coop, taking a nice smooth turn to the left, showing some of these 2-month-old chickens who now need a home. Well, they have one. They live with me, but not in the house. Their coop needs to be larger. There's a wall I'm going to remove. And then I'm going to build an extension from that side of this coop. So I guess that's pretty much it. But I didn't get any footage of me actually assembling the coop. I got some footage of me dancing around. And then cutting some wood. But none of the assembly I got footage of. So there's no point to any of this. I mean, yeah.